Okay, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we would like to learn about numbers in Indonesian. So numbers in Indonesian we say angka, angka. That means number. So we start from number 1 until number 10 in Indonesian. Number 1, satu, satu, satu. Dua, dua. Tiga, tiga. Empat, empat. Lima, lima. Enam, enam. Tujuh, tujuh. Delapan, delapan. Sembilan, sembilan. Sepuluh, sepuluh. I repeat once again the number, then you can try to say it by yourselves. So I repeat from number 1. Satu, satu. Dua, dua. Tiga, tiga. Empat, empat. Lima, lima. Enam, enam. Tujuh, tujuh. Delapan, delapan. Sembilan, sembilan. Sepuluh, sepuluh. So, if you knows already number 1 until 10, it is not difficult for you to learn number 11 until 20. So, the basic thing is that you must remember first number 1 until 10. You can practice it by yourself by repeating the video, and then afterwards you can continue to number 11 until 20. 11 in Indonesian is sebelas. Sebelas. So basically belas means 10. So all here's follow the patterns 12, dua, belas, because 2 is dua and the 10 is belas. So we put belas from number 11 until 19. All use the word belas at the end. So I will say so you can pronounce it correctly and practice it by yourself. Number 11 to number 20. Sebelas, sebelas. Dua belas, dua belas. Tiga belas, tiga belas. Empat belas, empat belas. Lima belas, lima belas. Enam belas, enam belas. Tujuh belas, tujuh belas. Delapan belas, delapan belas. Sembilan belas, sembilan belas. Dua puluh, dua puluh. So repeat the numbers again so you can remember all of this number. Just review number 1 until 20 until 10 first, and then you can continue to review number 11 to 20. Okay, so if you practice the numbers and try to remember number 1 until 20, this exercise is for you. So this exercise is try to in this exercise you will practice the numbers. So I put the numbers in random order from number 1 until 20. So I put the numbers in random order so to test whether you remember all of the numbers or not. So let's start from the first. First, let's try to, you can try to guess first these numbers. Please pause the video, and then if you have a notebook, please write the numbers in Indonesian in your notebook, so to practice the spelling as well. And then afterwards, after you write all of the these numbers in Indonesian in your notebook, then let's check, continue again the video, play again the video, and so you know whether the answer is correct. So now I will tell you the numbers, this exercise, this one until that number. Okay. 9, 9, 4, 4, 6, 6, 5, 5, 10, 10, 11, 11, 9, 9, 8, 8, 7, 7, 15, 15, 14, 14, 20, 20, 10, 10, 5, 5, 4, 4, 2, 2, 1, 1, 3, 3, 8, 8, 9, 9. So please check your answers whether it's right or wrong. It's okay if you make a small mistake at the first time, but you can try it again. Try to watch this video again, repeat it again, so to practice and to memorize these numbers. You cannot memorize it in one day, so practice it again. So the more practice you have, the better you will memorize this number. So if you already remembers the numbers, and because you have practiced it a lot, now there is you can ask these questions and then practice these questions to ask it to the people that you know. And then the question is, berapa nomor teleponmu? Berapa nomor teleponmu? Berapa is questions word to ask about numbers, and then nomor means number. Before we learn the word angka and nomor is the same, but for asking the number for the telephone, we always use the word nomor. And telepon, the telephone, mu means your. So berapa nomor teleponmu? In English, it means what is your phone number? What is your phone number? Berapa nomor teleponmu? Berapa nomor teleponmu? And the answer is nomor telepon saya 0878 616 37555. So nomor telepon saya means my phone number. Nomor telepon saya. Saya means I or my. Telepon, the phone. Nomor, number. So my phone number. Yeah. You can put your phone to practice to say your phone number 0878 616 37555. 0878 616 37555. So the word zero, the number 0 in Indonesian is kosong. 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 Kosong also means empty or zero. Kosong. 0878 616 37555. Kosong. That is the lessons about the number. I hope you practice more. So now you can ask the questions about the phone number, and now I hope you can remember your phone number in Indonesian. Thank you. See you next video. Bye bye.